In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know if a message is read on Emo. If you've sent a message on Emo and you want to understand what its status means, the good news is that it's very easy to check. Emo uses small icons next to your message to show whether it has been sent, delivered, or read. Once you know what these symbols mean, you can quickly tell what's happening with your message at a glance. First, open the Emo app on your device. Make sure you're on the main screen where your chats are listed. From there, tap on the conversation you want to check. This should be the chat where you sent the message and want to confirm whether the other person has seen it. Once the chat is open, look closely at the message you sent. Beside it, you'll see a small icon or status indicator. This symbol tells you the current state of that message, and understanding it is the key to knowing whether it has been read. If you see a single check mark, this means the message has been sent, but it has not yet been delivered to the recipient. In other words, the message left your device successfully, but it hasn't reached the other person's app yet. This can sometimes happen if they don't have an internet connection at the moment, or if their device is temporarily offline. If you see two check marks, that means the message has been delivered to the recipient. So at this point, the message has reached their device or account, but that does not always mean they've opened the chat and seen it yet. Delivered simply confirms that the message arrived. If the double check marks turn blue, or if you see a read indicator, that means the message has been read. This is the clearest sign that the recipient has opened the conversation and viewed your message. So, to quickly summarize, a single check mark means sent but not delivered, two check marks mean delivered, and blue double ticks or a read indicator mean the message has been read. When checking message status, it's a good idea to look carefully because the difference between delivered and read can be small but important. If the status doesn't update right away, give it a little time, since network delays can affect how quickly these indicators change. That's how to know if a message is read on Emo.